कॉमेडी
proper,
करने
हाँ.
का मौका नहीं मिला. Only that one scene
हाँ.
with Madhuri ma'am and me.
Yes, yes.
And people just want to watch light stuff because there's enough dukh dard in the world. पैसे देकर और दुख दर्द नहीं अपनाना है. You know, या और टेंशन नहीं लेना है, या और स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है. He said आपको थर्ड करना पड़ेगा. So वहीं से वो सिलसिला शुरू हुआ.
First of all, big congratulations, because I've been a Manjalika fan for a very long time, and it was so great to see you back as Manjalika on the big screen.
Thank you.
So you know, I remember one press conference particularly where you said that second वाला नहीं किया था क्योंकि आपको डर लग रहा था कि जो Manjalika ने दिया वो you shouldn't lose it.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So Vidya, you got same and more. So how
Yes.
do you feel about it?
Fantastic. Better than I could have imagined. And honestly, I'd not imagined this. कि 17 साल बाद मैं फिर से भूल भुलैया करूंगी और फिर से मंजुलिका प्ले करूंगी और इतना सारा प्यार मैंने कहा. I had not imagined it at all. I'm very happy. I'm so happy the film is doing so well.
Yeah. And is this big celebration? It was an awaited celebration for you also, because I have loved your film. But जो box office की जो बातें होती है, this is something that you're looking for.
और इतना अच्छा कर रही है फिल्म.
Yeah.
बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. It's my biggest to date.
Yeah.
So how can this get any better?
And you've given your biggest after completing 30 years in the industry. मैं हम
Not
5
yet
की बात कर रही
30,
हूँ.
next year.
हाँ, पर हम 5 से बात कर रही हूँ. So Vidya, to have this kind of body of work for so long, where people just keep loving you, films आती है जाती है जैसे भी, but you know, people love you and remember your roles. So how do you feel looking at that beautiful journey?
I feel very blessed, Komal. I think the only dream I had was to be an actor, and I'm living my dream, right? And I'm receiving money, I'm receiving love, fame, glory, so much love. I love it.
Yeah.
I thrive on it.
Yeah, and we loved. I mean, जब हम गए, I did not watch the movie in a press screening, but I went with my family and friends, okay, because तभी मज़ा आती है जब सबके साथ देखो. एंड पीपल वर एक्चुअली हूटिंग एंड क्लैपिंग एंड विसलिंग. एंड जब विद्या की एंट्री हो रही है या यू नो कार्तिक का जो ट्विस्ट है, पीपल वर सो सरप्राइज. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंस रिएक्शन, were you also able to go and see? What was it like for you?
Yeah, I actually went for the first day first show to Gaiety with my family, you know, and it was amazing. Matlab, my entry got an electrifying response and I was like, wow. But lots of things in the film, like you said, in the final reveal, I heard a collective gasp from the audience. It was like, वो मैं कह नहीं रही हूँ क्या है.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I didn't mention.
होता है, you know.
Yeah.
And so many moments, that laughter scene between Madhuri ma'am and me, the way people have laughed. Yeah, the throne scene, the dance, the comedy of these three, you know, Chota Pandit, Bada Pandit, and Panditayan. Fantastic. Yeah, it was just magical. Yeah, so many moments. It was great to see it with an audience. CP, Tali, and क्या बहुत अच्छा लगा. That with Gaiety ना, single screen audience का जो response होता है वो अलग ही होता है.
Vidya, you know, the kind of movies that you've been doing, हमने बहुत बार ऐसे भी बोलते हैं कि फीमेल सेंट्रिक करेंगे, but now that you've done a mainstream film after so long, is this also what you want to do more?
Oh, absolutely. But I hope that the so-called female-led films also become mainstream commercial films.
नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं होगा. धीरे-धीरे होगा. अभी तो हमें हमारी फिल्में मिल रही हैं.
Correct.
But I think I think it's time for us to take ourselves less seriously in the female-led space and to have more fun. There's I think, need for reinvention in that space at the moment. But I'm very glad to have done Bhul Bhulaiya 3. And I think I want to do all kinds of films.
Yeah.
You know?
You've done all kinds of films.
Yes, absolutely.
What is left?
No, lots. Lots to do still.
Yeah. What is this genre that you're waiting for?
Comedy.
ये तो किया ना, I mean.
नहीं, पर मुझे कॉमेडी करने
हाँ.
का मौका नहीं मिला. Only that one scene ना
हाँ.
with Madhuri ma'am and me.
Yes, yes.
बाकी मुझे तो कॉमेडी करने का इसमें चांस ही नहीं मिला.
What do you think is about the horror comedy genre that is working so well? Is it the thrill? Is it the genre? Is it the jump scares? What is this? Because you did it, so I want to know from you.
I think it's a thrill. People, and at the same time, you break out of that into a nervous laughter. I think that's what people are enjoying. And people just want to watch light stuff because there's enough dukh dard in the world. पैसे देकर और दुख दर्द नहीं अपनाना है. या और टेंशन नहीं लेना है, या और स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है. I'm not saying कि I just think at the moment what the world needs is laughter.
Correct, yeah. Okay, now talking about the dance sequence. I don't know if what I would have done if I had to dance with Madhuri ma'am, because so how was it for you? Were you nervous because you're not a trained dancer?
No, I'm not a
but you
trained
pulled it
dancer.
off like magic.
Thank
so
you.
Tell me.
I don't even see myself as a dancer, but as an actor, if you require me to dance, I will work towards it. And of course, then if you have to dance with Madhuri Dixit, then you work even harder. And I did, because I was like, wow, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Because look at it, the people who danced with her before have all been dancers. Karishma Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai. So I was like, okay, if I'm getting this opportunity, then I'll have to work doubly hard. But I worked hard, and then I said, now just have fun. Now just enjoy it. Because there's no point stressing. There's no question of matching up to her.
Correct.
But I did my bit.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So technically, what kind of prep went into the dance prep?
I just rehearsed.
Okay.
I just rehearsed with Chini Master's assistant Monisha. And I was promoting Do Aur Do Pyar at that time.
Yeah, I love that film.
Yeah, thank
I love
you. So in between promotions, whenever I got time, I would go back and rehearse. I think over a period of 2 weeks, not every day, but whenever I got time, even if it was half an hour, I'd go for rehearsal. So that's the kind of prep. Yeah.
There was this, again, I'm going back to the press conference that I was watching, and trailer launch ke din. And someone asked you and you were like, nee, this was Kapil Sharma show, where you said that if there is a wish, I wish I could announce a Bhul Bhulaiya 4. I think Anees sir has also spoken about it. So tell me, is it happening? And
No, ये तो हम मस्ती कर रहे थे. ये फिल्म चल रही है और बहुत चलने दो.
बहुत चलने वाली है.
Thank you. तब तक हम कुछ सोचेंगे नहीं. It's all fresh. There's excitement. People are asking for. ऐसे कोई plans नहीं है. Or I think Anees bhai will also want to do something else before he thinks about another Bhul Bhulaiya.
Yeah. And maybe next time we have Vidya, Tabu, Madhuri, all of them coming
Yeah,
together. It would be fun.
the more the merrier.
Yeah. The kind of growth that Bhul Bhulaiya has seen, because I love the first. I'm already on the fourth. I love the first. Second was intriguing because it was after so many years, and the third one came. So when you did not do the second movie, what was the feeling like? No?
Nothing. I was very clear why I didn't want to do
Correct.
it. Right? I think I was just so scared that I might squander away all that I've earned from that film. But when I watched the film, I was like, oh, this is how franchises work. It's taken the franchise forward without being a continuity of the previous one. So I think I said, oh, okay, let's see. Then I told Bhushan that I enjoyed the trailer. He said, आपको third करना पड़ेगा. So वहीं से वो सिलसिला शुरू हुआ.
Vidya, what is the biggest thing Manjulika has given you?
Love.
In your career as an actor?
Yeah. So much love and continues to give.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful for Manjulika and Bhul Bhulaiya in my life, my career.
Correct. Vidya, what's next?
I don't know.
Really?
Yeah, I need to chill for a bit before I can.
Is this also
decide.
how you function? Karo, thoda rest karo, fir wapas come fresh?
Yeah, rest matlab, I'm in the process of deciding what to do next. But I haven't taken a call. So the moment I decide, but I don't jump from one film into another. I'll take a few months off in between, live life, and then go back to work.
Yeah, maybe that's also why people keep looking forward to your work. Yeah.